My name's Priya Gearin. I grew up in Peoria, Illinois, went to college in Missouri, and then came to Omaha for medical school here at the University of Nebraska Med Center. I ended up on the East Coast for residency. I spent a few years in Boston at Harvard South Shore, and then I ended up in Providence, Rhode Island, at Brown University for fellowship in child and adolescent psychiatry. In mental health and psychiatry, a lot of mental health conditions start in childhood and adolescence. And so for me, getting to work with kids and families earlier rather than later is a real honor and privilege, to try and hopefully curb some of the issues that might build up over time as kids get older. It's also just really fun to get to work with kids of all ages and get to see people develop and grow into who they are and who they want to be. As an outpatient child and adolescent psychiatrist, I see a number of conditions, including depression, anxiety, OCD, ADHD. In particular, I have a special interest in OCD and anxiety disorders. I enjoy integrating therapy into my visits and have experience in particular with anxiety and OCD treatment and therapy. I enjoy working collaboratively with therapists and families and really helping patients get to where they need to be. I'm obviously familiar with UNMC from my time in medical school here. Coming back has been special because I've realized that, not only do I get to really work in a place where people are deeply committed to patient care, I also get to work in a place where there's a lot of research happening and a lot of education happening. I feel really lucky to be able to get to work with medical students and residents and other trainees as they're kind of rotating through the clinics. And I feel really lucky to be able to be at an institution where there's so many specialized clinics and treatments available within psychiatry. That's a real bonus to be able to work in a place where there's so many other colleagues who are passionate about similar things.